Are you unsure of the type of cooking oils you should use for meal preparations? This video is for you. The fact is, most people living with conditions like hypertension buy any kind of oil without considering the pros and cons or the impact it can have on their health. The truth is, not all cooking oils are equal. Some can have serious health impacts like heart disease, lipidemia, high bad fat in the blood and body, fatty liver disease, and high cholesterol, whereas the healthy ones supply fats, which are an essential nutrient. Incorporating healthy fats into meals and snacks can improve nutrient absorption, promote heart health, boost flavor, and keep you full for long periods. So in this video, we'll uncover the 5 best cooking oils for the heart, elevating food flavors and preventing chronic diseases. Let's dive in. But first, let's see what happens when we consume unhealthy fats, such as those found in vegetable and highly processed oils. They build up in our arteries, leading to a condition called atherosclerosis. This can increase our risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular diseases. Moreover, these oils can also contribute to high cholesterol levels, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and plaque buildup in the arteries. Now, what are the best options for heart health? Here's our top 5. 1. Olive oil. Why is it great for cooking? Olive oil is a Mediterranean staple and is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart healthy. It's also packed with antioxidants, primarily oleic acid, which can help protect cells from damage. It has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking like frying and sautéing. Fatty acid profile shows that it is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, primarily oleic acid, has a balanced ratio of omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, best for drizzling over salads, sautéing vegetables, and baking. 2. Avocado oil has a smoke point of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius. Avocado oil is another excellent source of monounsaturated fats. It has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking like frying. A balanced omega-3 to 6 ratio, best for frying, sautéing, and baking. 3. Flaxseed oil. Excellent source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. Has low smoke point, best for salad dressings, smoothies, and as a supplement. Note: avoid high-heat cooking as it can degrade the delicate omega-3 fatty acids. 4. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is unique because it contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are quickly metabolized by the body for energy. It's also a good source of lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties. A smoke point of 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius. Best for sautéing, baking, and adding to smoothies. 5. Safflower oil. Safflower oil is made from the oil extracted from the seeds of the safflower plant. Research has shown that safflower oil is high in linoleic acid, which can help prevent coronary artery disease. Linoleic acid can reduce body fat, weight, and insulin resistance. Safflower oil is also a rich source of vitamin E. This oil can be unstable at high temperatures, so it is not suitable for deep frying. Safflower oil has a neutral flavor that's best in marinades and sauces. So, which oils should you choose? Ultimately, the best oil for you will depend on your specific health needs, budget, and cooking methods. However, if you're looking for a versatile oil that's great for most cooking methods, olive oil and avocado oil are excellent choices. Where to find them? You can find these oils at most grocery stores and health food stores. Look for brands that are organic, cold-pressed, and minimally processed. How to use them? 1. Drizzle olive oil over salads, soups, and roasted vegetables. 2. Sauté vegetables in avocado oil. 3. Fry foods in coconut oil or avocado oil. 4. Bake with olive oil, coconut oil. The oil you choose can make a big difference in your heart and overall health. You can reduce risk of chronic diseases by using healthier alternatives and reducing quantity used during cooking. So, what are your thoughts on these cooking oils? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and make healthier food choices together.